Why would Jesus heal the very man who came to chain him? Religious leaders sent an armed mob to capture Jesus in the dark. To protect his Lord, Peter swung his sword wildly in the shadows and accidentally sliced off the ear of Malchus, the high priest's servant. Blood hit the dirt. Malchus was crying out in pain on the ground, and the soldiers raised their spears ready to attack.
Enough! Put your sword back in its place. But Lord, they have come to kill you. No more of this.
He touched the side of Malchus's head, and instantly the ear was perfectly restored. In the stunned silence, the mob realized their weapons were useless against him. Jesus didn't lose his freedom. He gave it up to save the world.
Jesus